what's up Gundam fans, it is the boy Michael here, and welcome back to the unboxing this video, or it's called Michael Unboxing. So today, we're going to the new Gunpla. This is called ST1-144 Gundam Aerial. So this is for the XVX 016 Gundam Aerial for this in TV show. Well, this is kind of pretty good unboxing. I have recently, but this is a new this is a new art style. This is pretty good, and the images looks shiny clean though. It's called Mobile Suit Gundam, the Witch from Mercury. Yeah, this is kind of the 2022. I don't have watched anime. I have no idea. It's 8+ of this, only 1,199. No, this is 1,149 pesos only. But this is not pretty measure. But SG, the Witch from Mercury. This looks like the shield and the blaster, and you don't want this to make it Japan. So I get this Bandai version logo. So this is side box. This has got the side box. This looks images, and you can also code. But then nothing on the back of the box. Let's look at it visually. Side box. This is one here. For the card, this one here. This is a pretty so it's Mercury. So this so it's a Mercury for characters on the moment. This is a pretty Gundam aerial for this. Yeah, but no glue. We need for the build this cutter. We need a cutter. Only color plastic with this something. Yeah, this is a kind of this is pretty good for this. Okay, so let's get a box of this one. I don't have anything preceded. So recently, I have no idea what's going on here. Alright, if you don't like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, not forget to ring the bell, baby, so notifications of the latest videos. And let's go. Alright. So open the boxing for this one. So look at this one instructions. Looks image is so clean, but I am really not this unpainted stage on this stage. Look at that. Okay, let's do the color one. This unboxing. So a little carefully. Okay, let's complete obviously. A little bit down. I don't have anything of it. So just recently. Well, no, I don't have the mini Gunpla. That's what it looks like that. And so well, I watched the Gunpla for this commercial in Japan, but this is the two girls. The difference of every single this T-Quats edition, like 50 seconds and 30 seconds in the Japan broadcasting movies. No, it's TV commercial. This TV series. Why not? For the Bandai only version. Okay, so look at that. So this is a model kits version. Ooh. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? I have no idea. This is what it looks like. How many pieces come? Oh shoot, we have... Oh wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces on the model kits? Wow, unbelievable. What is the packaging of this? This is extraction. So this is instruction mode, but this looks like that, and obviously this is a girl, this Soretta Mercury for this main characters or something. What about this a little bit? Okay, so the good images, you have the good images of the photo shoot. This is a really total view. Wow. We have visually we have instructions. So this is a real instructions or something, and this instruction design. Look at this. This is so unique. But this is looks unusual. I have no idea. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Look at that. So this is an extraction mode. So you get the pieces and numbers. So you gotta call the pieces and we got letters. We got numbers. With this, we're kind of find them. With this, but please be carefully. Okay, I'm not doing this. Okay, well, I'm not just appreciated. Let's get a buy for that. I don't know what I need. G-Quads then. Mobile Suit Gundam Destiny. So let's get building. Okay guys, so finishing the building Gundam aerial. So today, there's a look at it for the details today. Gundam aerial for the Mobile Suit Gundam, the Witch from Mercury. I don't know what is the kind of name of this series of this one. So this one there, Gundam aerial. So it looks pretty cool. I don't know when this looks at detail of this. So look kind of so similar to this one. Like, that was pretty good. But this I put the stickers in the inside. It looks pretty so amazing. for this. Look at the inside for this chronic. What I don't know is crystal. This putting the design that's like color the plastic and it looks in color plastic here. So they got a model kit. This looks so really cool. And it's skirting armor. What this looks like there. So we gotta put up and down. Up and down. This is the looks of the you get the arms of the fist. It looks so pretty fine. I don't know why it's so doing this. I'm holding a lot of stickers in this inside to outside. So this is the one. Oh, every single. This is so much cool. This one. So I got this was the one here. This look at this helmet face. And you're just gonna see. So because the screen eyes, so putting a sticker. So really so much fun with this to play toy for this. But this is for adults. Whatever. This is a fans of Gundam. So they missed the HD Gundam first time. I only won for the birthday last night. For my birthday in July 11. I don't know. This is for my last video. So we got accessories. So they are free accessories. So, okay. So let me show you. So this is beam rifle with the scope. So we got this. No idea how much this really blurs out. Okay, so you go. So the beam rifles, and you gotta put them in here, and it looks like the scopes. Scopes looks pretty cool. It's pretty good though. I think you guys see those in the like model kits that they only look like beams. And then there's also it's blue firing rifles effects, and it looks so pretty great. I don't know why this is what looks like the if you get this kind of not disappointed at this look at this. So they put down here. Woo! This is so amazing at this one. Okay. Do you guys see this bam explosive the beam rifle like boom the blue firing effects so really amazing. I just gotta put them in this. Damn, I'm stuck in it. What are we gonna put them? Yeah, whatever. I don't know. It's kind of stuck. Oh, here we go. Never mind. And then secondly, we have two beam rifles with the blue blade version. I don't know what this kind of not a pink version. They know what this standard version. It's just kind of pretty weapons that they're putting there. So what about them? I don't know what this is do something. The two beam rifles. No, two beam. This is a two beam. Beam saber. There's two beam saber. Whatever this is called. You can see nothing. Something that's a pretty plastic model kit. This is looks pretty cool. And then third one, we have shield. The shield one. This is pretty cool. Amazing. That's the looks design. This looks like every combined for every look at armor. They get your shoulders or whatever they want. They got to put then. They're putting it forward the holes, and if you guys put them in the side, I'm really disappointed for the stickers on the inside here. I really know. So we're gonna put this on around here. We have the left arms. We have to put them the arms here. You see this? You guys gonna see this right here? That's pretty badass. Look at this. Oh, it's so cool. And then the beam rifles and the beam rifles. You gotta search over there. Okay. So look at that. Oh, I'll show you. So we open it. Oh, and then beam rifles. So similar. I'm gonna put this a white hands or when I have white hands. So that's what it called. But beam rifles. Well, look at this. You're gonna open this. Put thing here. Let's say let's go for it. Wow. Nice. This is the one here. Okay. The blue and this kind of wow. So you're gonna open it. So we're putting in, and there we go. It looks so pretty good, pretty cool. I don't know. This is so appreciated. And you're gonna see the move. Wow, the move is pretty cool. I know. I don't realize that it is pretty, but this is so amazing. I can't wait for this. This is my next Gunpla HD. No, HG. It's called HG Gundam. But this is pretty. There's a holder one. Why don't you use this? This is a pretty rifles there. Look at that. As this is a holder and this shield with a blaster. Definitely, I really don't know why. That was so cool effects here and everywhere, and you're gonna put them filing blue effects. That this is so pretty so similar. Look at this. That's pretty cool. Everything though. Oh, so look at the back of back. And then the back and the look at the packaging. Oh, the backpack of the version. So putting it down, put it back. It fits back. Put it new hands. So wait a second. I don't know. Really, the kind of the it looks so similar. And it's like you know what a Gundam classic would say. So cool. Whatever this is. Put in there the shields. As you can see, and you get the packaging. So the backpack is here for the beam rifle. I just gotta put things in the back of it. Just gotta put things in the here. There. Oh, that's pretty so cool. I don't know why. This is pretty cool though. And then look at this, the stickers and then inside. So there, come here, show me. Look at this inside. So this is inside the stickers around here. So in the inside and outside the stickers, the looks design is pretty cool. Printing is so amazing. This is realized that this is the packaging and the backup and then the beam rifle here, and the beam rifle. So you got a search in here. So we put in here beam rifle. Nothing is gonna happen right here. I'll put in there. Oh wow, wow. Oh my freaking goodness! Look at that. Oh. You can see the battle looks so amazing. I don't know why the posing is so weird. If it don't know, this kind of move out of the ground. But the posing, this kind of so crunchy. You can move the shoulders for the side. And there are no recently for this one kind of okay. So the beam saber, so they turn off or turn it on, whatever they want. So the back. And this, what about the, how to put it, you can see the plug, either plug off, as you can see, you got a 2-pack, putting it back in a beam saber, that looks so cool, that's so similar, and then, I didn't know why I was like, okay, so pretty much good, it's pretty legit. I really don't have no idea. So we got the appreciated. It's so much cool. Okay, so articulation. So, hold on. Alright, so let me take it. Articulation is the head. So, oh shoot. What? Oh man, this is weirdest. Okay. Cut it out. Okay, so articulation first. We have head. So this is a move out of the way. With right, I don't know what's it, up and down. So a little bit. If you don't know what's the tricycle is so noisy. So this is the arms. Well, this is kind of pretty weird. I don't know why it's the up and down a little bit. So the up and down a little bit. You know what's just a little bit. Look at this. So just kind of pretty fine. But you know what? This is up and down. This with armors. Look at this. You can 360 hands. The 360 hands. So 360 hands. So this is skirting arms or skirting armor. I think they put up and down. Looks so cool. Wow, that is so cool. And also to put the up and down the armor and this one, so amazing. Look at this up and legs, to the up and down, to swivel, swivel this one here, swivel up in here. Where's the rest of this? So really, so the details are so amazing. And the toes, the boots, the armors will look so pretty amazing. I don't know why this is coming from, but I feel really appreciated. This is a kind of pretty unique. This is phenomenal. This is a painting of the look that everything in the plastic colors. It looks there. So down here, but you just look at this one. I don't know why it's posting to us. So really, everything don't look Let's go. What about that? If we the posting this one, oh, it's got a posting. So how do the posting though? Okay, you gotta put down, put the shit on, and the putting of beam rifles. Nothing is compared. Oh, you gotta see this. You gotta see this at the back. So this one. When zooming out, it's so weird. And you gotta see the back. The putting in the hole, and this backpack, and this like beam saber. No, it's this beam rifle. No, just kidding. Let's put it on it here. Shoot. What about this crap? Here. Put it on the holding rifle. Oh shoot! Wrong side. This one here. Okay, it's pretty cool. Put it on here. Put it on here. And put it inside there. Oh, look at this is packaging. So I got this one here. So beam rifle and shield looks so cool. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good though. Instead of posting though, I'm gonna use the posting and just put on the step of right every single month for this one. I don't know why. It's just kind of the first time the gun silhouette and then Gundam cross silhouette, and this is what looks like a cross silhouette, like Gundam cross silhouette, and it's like Gundam Seed Destiny movies, TV shows, whatever they want. I don't know, honestly. It just don't know make any sense. So this is a crunchy. So they got a crunchy, so a little bit crunchy. I forgot this one. The crunch, the arm, so they got a swivel. You don't know how to appreciate it. You don't like. Almost forgot. I'm sorry about that. And so whatever move with this. So slow. I'm pretty so slow. Okay. This is so blurred. It's like, what is going on here? I got no camera. Okay, that's it. That's the posting. We don't know how to do this one. Okay, so finishing reviewing Gundam Aerial. I will give you the rating of Gundam Aerial is the HD 144 Gundam Aerial. It's really pretty so good. It's cheap. No, this is pretty good. Yeah, but it's fine. Why? If you don't know, if it is pretty good. Look at the sign. But well, I watched the Gundam movies the last moment is that 4 years ago. Yeah, it's just a pretty bit of watching Netflix of the anime. So it's like G-Quats, the Seed franchise, and you know what's kind of I don't know how to done the bold this one, but complete this. I'm gonna give you a rating of the Gundam Aerial is 7 out of 10. Well, it looks pretty good. This is a pretty so similar as the title, but I don't know how watching the Gundam the Witch from Mercenary, and this is a pretty good though. I don't know why this is kind of pretty amazing. I hope you join the next Gunpla series. If you joined, why about that? Why? Wow. Okay, guys. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like it and subscribe. Some at the bottom, some notification bells, so follow us on social medias. And hope you join the next Gunpla unboxing video. Where we get the next the Union Arena 20 card game, like One Punch Man, whatever this is, and you know what? I'm in sort or Wade Schwartz is from Brucey World. I don't know what's the kind of this name. Tell me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoying this. See you in my next video. Bye. Peace.